So in the previous video, when we calculated the DPMO for that water bottle manufacturing plant where we picked 10 bottles, we found out that the DPMO level was 13,333. So here I have a chart which tells that at what DPMO level, what sigma number we have, what sigma level we have. So what we had there was 13,333, which would be somewhere here, I would say, in between these two numbers, which is 13,333. That's what we had here. So this is between 3.5 to 4. So we calculated this as a 3.7. So 3.7 sigma was equivalent to 13,333 defects per million opportunities. And when we say 6 sigma, we are looking at 3.4 defects per million opportunities. So the chart which you saw, which was related to sigma level and DPMO, same thing has been put here in the form of a graph. Now if you look here, this is 1.5 sigma. 1.5 sigma means half million. That means 50% defect level. So if you have 50% defect level, half of your things are getting rejected, you are at 1.5 sigma level. So if you improve your process from 50% rejection, let's say, and come down to somewhere here, which is around 30% rejection level. So from 1.5 sigma, you move to 2 sigma level. So moving from 1.5 sigma to 2 sigma is very easy, because if you can reduce your defect level from 50% to 30%, you have already moved from 1.5 sigma to 2 sigma. And then maybe if you work a little bit more and you reduce your defect level to, let's say, 15%. 15% also is a big number. If 15% of your items are defective, that's a big number. But even in that case, you go to a higher level of sigma from 2 to 2.5. You do a little bit more on that. You reduce your defect level to, let's say, around 6%. Then you are at 3 sigma level. Then at 3.5 sigma and 4 sigma. Now if you look beyond 3.5 sigma, you don't see much change. So going from 1.5 sigma to, let's say, 3.5 sigma, that's easy. You can easily do that. But then after that, improving your process from 3.4 sigma to 4 sigma to 4.5 sigma, 5 sigma requires a lot of work, because here you are looking at the fraction parts per million. Like reaching 6 sigma would be 3.4 defects per million opportunities. So 3.4 defects per million opportunities is a very, very fractionally small number. For that, you will really have to work hard to reduce your defect level. So this chart basically shows that you can easily improve your process, let's say from 1.5 sigma, go up to 3.5 sigma. But after that, the effort to improve will increase drastically. You need to really work hard to improve your process beyond 3.5 sigma. So this completes our discussion on DPMO.